Hello dear viewers. Welcome to Kuki Decor. Today's video, where we dive into the incredible world of wooden lumps, those raw, unrefined pieces of wood that often get overlooked. But what if I told you that these seemingly simple chunks hold endless creative possibilities? From unique home decor and functional art pieces to sustainable crafts and statement furniture, wooden lumps are more than just leftovers from a tree. They're nature's way of sparking imagination. In this video, we'll explore how you can transform these rustic treasures into stunning creations, blending their natural beauty with your artistic touch. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who loves the charm of organic materials, there's something here for you. If you enjoy creative projects like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest ideas. And if you have your own wooden lump creations, share them in the comments. I'd love to see what you're working on. Now, let's turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Wooden lumps, often overlooked as mere raw material, carry immense potential for creativity and innovation. These seemingly simple pieces of wood, whether sourced from fallen branches, driftwood, or remnants from woodworking projects, are brimming with untapped possibilities. The beauty of wooden lumps lies in their natural, unrefined state, each carrying a unique texture, grain pattern, and sometimes even a story embedded within the rings of the tree they once belonged to. When viewed with an imaginative eye, these lumps transcend their rustic origins and become the foundation for a vast array of artistic and functional projects. One of the most compelling aspects of working with wooden lumps is the organic inspiration they provide. Unlike manufactured wood planks, which are often uniform and predictable, wooden lumps surprise and challenge the creator. A gnarled piece of wood might inspire the shape of a handcrafted bowl, its natural twists and turns guiding the final form. An irregularly shaped lump could become the centerpiece of a sculptural art piece, its imperfections celebrated rather than hidden. The rawness of these materials encourages artists and craftspeople to adapt their designs, leading to more authentic and nature-inspired works. Beyond their artistic potential, wooden lumps serve as a medium for practical and decorative household items. In addition to small-scale crafts, wooden lumps inspire larger, statement-making designs. Consider, for instance, their potential in creating one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. A particularly striking piece of wood might become the focal point of a coffee table, its organic shape left intact and encased in a resin top, merging rustic charm with modern design. Others might be fashioned into stools, side tables, or benches, their raw edges and natural form preserved to celebrate the material's origin. The juxtaposition of rugged wood and sleek design elements creates a compelling visual harmony, making these pieces not just furniture, but functional works of art. Moreover, wooden lumps play a pivotal role in garden and outdoor design. They can be transformed into planters, with carved-out centers accommodating soil and plants, seamlessly blending with the natural landscape. Larger lumps might become the foundation for garden sculptures, where their weathered textures add an organic touch to outdoor spaces. Some crafters use them to create birdhouses or insect hotels, offering refuge to local wildlife while adding charm to the garden. Others integrate them into pathways or stepping stones, allowing nature's artistry to enhance the flow of the landscape. The durability and raw beauty of wood make these creations long-lasting and visually captivating. The rawness of the wood serves as a grounding element, contrasting with more polished materials and creating dynamic, thought-provoking art. These sculptures often evoke a sense of connection to nature, reminding viewers of the delicate balance between human creativity and the natural world. Even in the realm of technology and innovation, wooden lumps find a place. Designers experimenting with sustainable materials have begun incorporating wood into modern products, from smartphone cases to lamp bases. The organic, tactile quality of wood adds a unique element to these high-tech items, merging the old with the new. Some innovators use wooden lumps to create Bluetooth speakers, where the natural hollows and grooves of the wood enhance sound resonance. Others craft minimalist desk accessories, pen holders, docking stations, or cable organizers, that bring an earthy elegance to workspaces. This fusion of technology and nature speaks to a growing desire for products that balance functionality with aesthetic warmth. Culturally, wooden lumps also hold significance in various traditional crafts. Indigenous artists, for example, often use natural wood pieces in their carvings, masks, and totems. Each lump of wood becomes a vessel for storytelling, its form intertwined with cultural narratives and spiritual symbolism. Such works not only preserve artistic heritage, but also celebrate the unique properties of each piece of wood, with every curve and knot contributing to the final creation's meaning. These cultural expressions underscore the deep relationship between humans and nature, reminding us that wooden lumps are not merely raw materials, but bearers of history and tradition. Furthermore, wooden lumps inspire personal and therapeutic creativity. Many people turn to woodworking as a form of mindfulness, finding solace in the slow, deliberate process of shaping wood. The tactile nature of wooden lumps, their rough surfaces, the scent of sawdust, the rhythm of carving, creates a sensory experience that grounds and calms the mind. Hobbyists often create simple yet meaningful objects, hand-carved spoons, worry stones, or small animal figurines. These projects offer a therapeutic escape from the digital world, encouraging a return to hands-on, meditative craftsmanship. In this way, wooden lumps become not just artistic mediums, but tools for personal well-being. Wooden lumps, though humble in appearance, are extraordinary vessels of creativity, functionality, and cultural significance. They bridge the gap between nature and artistry, inviting both seasoned artisans and casual hobbyists to explore their potential. From intricate jewelry and functional household items to statement furniture and evocative sculptures, these raw pieces of wood carry endless possibilities. They celebrate the beauty of imperfection, promote sustainable crafting, and connect us to traditions and nature alike. Whether carved, polished, or left in their natural state, wooden lumps remind us that creativity often lies in the most unexpected forms. Each piece of wood holds a story waiting to be told. It simply takes a touch of imagination to bring it to life. And that wraps up our journey into the world of wooden lumps. As we've seen, these raw, natural pieces of wood are so much more than just scraps. They are full of potential, waiting to be transformed into something beautiful and meaningful. Whether you're crafting unique home decor, functional art, or simply experimenting with new ideas, the only limit is your imagination. I hope this video has inspired you to look at wooden lumps in a new light and spark some creative ideas for your next project. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video, it really helps the channel grow, and subscribe if you haven't already for more creative DIY and crafting ideas. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future uploads. I'd love to see what you create, so drop a comment below and share your wooden lump masterpieces. Let's keep the creativity flowing and build a community where we inspire each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!